Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create templates in CapCut. I'm going to show you step-by-step process by which you can create the CapCut template. So before we begin, what you have to do is update your CapCut application from your Play Store if you are on your Android, and if you are on your iPhone you have to update your application through your App Store. Alright, so once you have updated the video, what you have to do is follow the steps in the video to make sure not one process gets left out. So let's begin the video. Alright, so the first step is to open your CapCut application. Alright, so here we are on our CapCut application. So over here you can see the option for template. Here you can see the various templates which is given in this tab. So to create a template, when you open this application, you will see here in the banner, you can see there will be an option for do you want to be a CapCut creator. So you have to apply for this creator program, then the CapCut will give you the access to become a CapCut creator. So all you have to do is click on this link, and here you can see a website will open. And over here you can see the various description, the requirements to become a CapCut creator. Here you can see various requirements that's given here. You have to be 15 years or more, that is the minimum age to apply for this program. And once you have joined this program, you will be able to create templates for CapCut. So yeah, before creating template you have to apply for this creator program, and then you will be able to create a CapCut template. So what you have to do is, after becoming a CapCut creator, you can just click on new project, and over there you can share your template. So yeah, that is how you'll be able to create a template on CapCut. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.